Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. Okay, my name is Temi Longe, coming to you live. So I'm gonna tell you today, the 22nd of May, 2025. Why I took my trade on the London session, GMT session. Okay, I'm just gonna go dive in. Okay, so we're looking at the XAU USD. Let us look at the daily trend. So I actually woke up to my platform, to trade around that. I checked it the previous night just to see what it's doing, but around 6 o'clock, then I came to my trend to the platform. Okay, so I saw a bit of like a price kind of a rally, like a buy, rally before 6 o'clock. Okay, so what I did was this. It's very easy. So I'm just gonna mark web price the week ending 18th of May. Okay, it's very important for me to know what price was doing around that period. So I'm just gonna mark that point, what price was doing. So that's what price was doing. Okay, before the 19th of May, that's what price was doing. Okay, so then I just later I want to see what price is doing on the general stage. Okay, like what price is doing before May. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is what price was doing in summary. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to color this one red, and this one blue. Okay, so the red one is what price was doing before like what's in summary what price was doing. Okay, before the beginning of May, and from the 15th, like the second half of May, you can see the blue line is what price was doing in summary. So we can just say that price was just trying to buy, was rallying up. Okay, so then what I'm just gonna do next is this. I'm just gonna go to the 1 hour platform because my intention was actually to trade on a Thursday because I know there's a lot of activities that actually happens on a Thursday. Okay, so I'm going to divide Thursday into four categories, into four, what am I saying actually? Into four quarters. Okay, okay, I'm going to divide into four quarters. Okay, that's fine. So I'm actually interested in this second quarter, okay, which I'm actually going to color red. Okay, so so you can see, okay, I woke up around 6 o'clock on this day. Okay, then what you're gonna just gonna do, I think I checked on the week. Look at what price is doing on the week. Okay, so what I did was this. I just looked at the most common what should I say, the most common peak, the most common zone, okay, for the whole month since April. Okay, that's the most common, April and May. Okay, from the beginning of April to where we currently are, the second or the third week of May. That's the common price point. Okay, so I know that on the second half of the day, price is actually going to look for the most unique level, and it's going to act within this level. It's not going to it's actually going to respect the level. So my question now is, what level am I going to use? Okay, so it's actually, you can see these are actually bullish price candle that actually happened from 2 o'clock. Okay, from 2 o'clock in the Asian session. Okay, so I'm just gonna create another this thing there around there. So in a nutshell, what I could just say is this. What I could just say is this. The price was gathering around here. Was gathering around here. Okay. And to me, I can actually say that this is the highest point, okay, that price would actually reach, okay, for this week that is ending. So I was not expecting price to actually break above this point. Why? I've told you, because this red line is actually the most common price point from April to May. So it's a very, very unique point from April to May. You understand? I don't see price breaking above it. And again, I could see this bullish price action, and just around 6:30, price actually broke it down. Okay, from 6:30 you can see this long inverted wick. You understand? And price actually, I'm just gonna highlight it so you can see. So you can see the price actually came back there, just did like a Fibonacci on this inverted wick at 7 o'clock and just came back there. So this should have been a trend, because why? It's actually at the unique price point, you understand? And just at exactly the time we're going to be trading, price fell into that zone. It fell into that zone. So what am I gonna say is that just at the beginning of a session, a very, very long unique session, it fell into that zone. It was around that zone. So I would not, to me, it's not breaking out. It's actually still in the zone. Then all you just have to do is to look for a Fibonacci and just pick your trade. And that's all I did today. Thank you so much, and bye.